Review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers? I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the EA Alpha Compass on my account for months, and zounds, it's charted my trades with plus 10.91% gains with the panache of a parodic compass guiding pips through foggy forex seas. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the alpha navigator that turns market chaos into steady compass bearings. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this EA Alpha Compass slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the EA Alpha Compass disrobes with adorable decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file in seconds, no fuss with extras. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the EA Alpha Compass to EURUSD on M5, loaded the set file, and it commenced its directional precision forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet of charming conquests, and there the EA Alpha Compass parades its plus 10.91% absolute gain escapade, turning deposits into $11,090.98 balance with net profit $1,090.98 amid no withdrawals. Daily 0.02%, monthly 5.55% reflecting steady compass navigation on EURUSD. Yet the equity curve at 102.88% holds resilient, while growth line climbs consistently with gentle peaks in July, containing drawdowns at 9.46%, thanks to its precise directional logic and adaptive filtering. Profitability shines cute yet fierce, with 533 total trades on EURUSD alone. Longs netting plus 479.28 profit, shorts adding plus 611.70 overall. That's balanced compass mastery. Get this. Gross profit dominates amid no interest drag. The edge from specialized EURUSD optimization that follows trend bearings without martingale risks. Drawdown at 9.46% yet. Equity preserved with steadfast tenacity. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor solid redeems any wobble. For every dollar risked, you're banking steady returns. Commissions? Handled gracefully on my broker, eclipsed by high expectancy. Hold time suit M5 action perfectly. Advanced stats show 81% win rate overall with longs and shorts complementing each other beautifully. Positive metrics proving consistency. Forecast projects non-compounding growth to $12,450 over 10 years from $11,410.28. Reliable projection. Monthly analytics? Solid climbs through 2024 with peaks in June and July. It's not just surviving volatility, it's compass steering through it, letting me sleep soundly instead of sweating screens. If you're after directional bots that deliver over 10% with smart trend guidance and low drawdowns, this EA Alpha Compass is the undisputed darling deal. Hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the EA Alpha Compass on MT4 with every tick data on XAUUSD. 5 last period, and solid numbers. Initial deposit 10,000.00. Total net profit 27,188.25. Gross profits 58,108, outpacing losses, minus 30,919.75 for that positive edge. Okay, total trades 113,202 balanced with longs at 41.07% wins and shorts 58.93%. Profit factor 1.88, with max drawdown 0.52% relative. Dynamic compass in action, no wild swings, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the EA Alpha Compass has you as pumped as it has me, after months of hands-on directional trading, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting EA Alpha Compass strategies. Link's right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.